So there are other few more stakeholders in real estate which are very crucial and important, and then do a lot of turnovers and help the real estate to do the cycles. So can you throw a light on these four: bankers, vendors, corporate companies, and government? How they should be using this opportunity or helping in these opportunities to realign the industry back on track.
I can see that the measures taken by both, that is state as well as the center, are very, very strict.
Yes.
Now the responsibility falls on the people, on like us, you and me, that we have to follow this correctly. If we follow this correctly, nothing is going to be affected. We are going to be perfectly all right. And so minimum damage can be created and we will be out of this. Let's say example, if I'm looking at government, I'm looking at maybe at a macro level, that means at an area level, let's say example, in Hyderabad, one of the area levels. Can I work on the government charges? Okay, what is the government regular fees or the stamp duty charges?
Yes,
which is there, and the taxations which is there, the taxes, the GST which is there on the property registrations.
Correct.
Can I play around, or can the government play around for a particular time period? Let's say about 3 to 6 months time period. Okay, correct. On some kind of a discounting measure.
Yes.
All right. So if that happens, then definitely this pushes people to actually get into the property buying as fast as possible. So I am looking at a whole cycle, and in this cycle basically all dots are connected. So I'm looking at that kind of a circumstance. Let's example now my property, which is a real scenario. I'm just saying my property is almost 70% completed at this moment of time, my residential property, and then we have suffered this lockdown. Okay. Now, as a company, yes, I am doing the best. I am giving my salaries. I did my salaries 100% in March. I did my salaries 100% to all the construction workers, supervisors, everybody in April. And mostly I'll be doing it in May also.
Yeah.
But if you are a small or a medium size builder, or even big builder also, for that matter, bank is not there to support you. Bank is not supporting any project completion.
Right.
Okay, unless you have like 15 years, 20 years of a track record. All right. Or you have a big collateral property, something which you can mortgage or something like that. So looking at this, if my property is 70%, 80% complete, because the owner has a bigger stake.
Yes.
Can bank give now a subsidiary amount, which is remaining little bit amount, to speed up the construction?
Finishing up the construction.
Yep. Finishing up the project. So because now the finishing of the project happens, then one part of this cycle, one part of this connecting the dots is finished. So my laborers are happy because they are getting the work, they are finishing up the work. So as the work is finishing, now sales is coming, so customers are able to buy the property. They can start living in, so you have a community which is to live in. The government is getting the registration charges, so they have money coming in. The customers are taking the money from the bank, so bank have a business to work on it. I see this as basically a complete cycle where we are connecting the dots properly. So this, I am looking at my scenario. I am looking at, there are so many people actually like that who are like builders and having commercial properties and things like that, whose properties are maybe completed 70-80%.
Yes.
So as a bank, you go there, you just give them help to complete it. When you give them a help, you're not doing a free. This is your business. You just make that small changes. You are just making a small change. Maybe you take the same property as a mortgage and you help them to complete. Now you have a better rent. You have a better rent. Now you have a better mortgage. Anyway, that person, the owner, is not going to do anything with the incomplete property. But you will have something which is just in hand. Rather than that, you just complete it so that you have something complete, and then completed product can be sold to the customers faster.
Right.
So this is the way in which I am looking at, is basically how the government can do much more than what exactly they are doing. They are doing it. I have absolutely no denial of that. Is they are doing their best, but these are some of the additional points if they do it, which is of course the bank interest rate. So more products, maybe more products. Think about some variety of the products in bank, from the bank side, to give it to the customer, as well as to give it to the also the builders, which will help to push the economic growing. So if the wheels, these are all wheels basically. So these are the wheels on which economy is riding. If we make the one wheel working, the other wheel also starts working. Or simultaneously, we will see that the vehicle is moving perfectly. Right now, the vehicle is stands still. So somebody has to push it.
Push it.
The person himself pushing it is going to take a lot of time, and he has to actually spend a lot of leverages on actually how he can push. But if 2-3 people are coming together, in which banks and the government play a very, very vital role, I see that the bounce back is much more faster. I would say that if I am a broker, or if I am a builder, or if I am a property owner, or if I am a banker, or whoever it is, basically, if it is personally affecting me at this moment of time, I think I should understand that what I can control and what I cannot control. That is the first thing. Second thing is that if there is a change which is happening, I would say that I should embrace the change. Once I start embracing the change, my resistance will come down. Then I'll start learning. So this opportunity, or this lockdown time, is take it as a learning opportunity, and that will only happen if I embrace it. If I start believing that yes, there is a change which is happening, and I should start loving this change. The moment I do that, I start looking the whole world with a very different outlook, and I will accept it. So I'll make the changes immediately.